All right, I'm in the Hawk right now, and I'm actually headed out to meet up with the group we got coming from up north. It's my brother and a bunch of friends and family. My brother's business is Leadfoot Customs, so I'm gonna go out and meet them as they're coming into town, and try and get a video of them passing by. So let's see if we can't catch them. They all left about I think it was like 2:15, 2:30 today. It's like 7:30 now. So they had quite the drive ahead of them. It's typically only about a 3-hour drive, but with that big group and older vehicles, they gotta travel a little slower. Getting off this exit here, and I'm gonna double back around because they should be coming up the road here, and I'm gonna try and get them as they come up this hill. That way the cars are under load a little bit, and we can hear them a little better. So let me get turned around, and I'll pull over on the side of the road and hop out. A couple pumpkin runners. Pull off right here. Here they come. Go meet back up with them and see what's up. I caught back up with them before they even got to the meet spot. And here we are. Good morning, guys. I'm currently sitting in car show traffic waiting to get into the pumpkin run on this first day. So we will be pulling in shortly. right, currently heading back to the fairgrounds to the pumpkin run. This is the third and final day. We had great weather yesterday, just kind of enjoyed the show, cruised the truck around. The truck's doing great. Everybody seems to be enjoying it, liking it. So we are headed there now, and just gonna enjoy the last day there. Hopefully the rain holds out. It's supposed to rain today, but we'll see. Well, the rain held off for a few hours, but it has since decided to start raining. But we're just going to continue hanging out. I'm actually going to drive the truck around the track a little bit, but we're going to hang out until the car drawing. And then after the car drawing, because they give away a car here every year, then we're going to take off and head home, and that'll be it for the 44th running of the Pumpkin Run Nationals. Let's cruise around a little bit. Tell you what, the Hawk has been doing great this weekend. Been cruising it around the fairgrounds every day, driving it back and forth every day, and it's just performed flawlessly. I haven't had a single issue out of it, so I'm real happy with it. It's been a blast. I've been getting a lot of looks too. So everything in this show is it has to be 1974 or older, and then you can enter in the show. And you get a wide variety here. You get street rods, you get just restored, classics, muscle cars. You get a whole wide variety. Rat rods, hot rods. There is a difference. But yeah, there's a wide variety. That's why I like this show. And you see new stuff every single year. This bus is pretty slick. It's a Chevy bus. It's got a Cummins in it. Looks like it's on full air ride. That's pretty cool. Dragging a little bit. All right, they're getting ready to draw the car.
Giveaway car from National goes to entry number 1048.
That was close.
Jerry
That's 22.
Rice. 34 Ford Coupe.
Yeah.
Now you got a pair if you're here. Don't nobody leave. He might not be here. And you know how that is. Jerry, you have 5 minutes to get in the sound of my voice for us to hear you hollering that you're here. Starting now.
Well, they called the ticket real close to my number, but it doesn't appear that the guy's here yet. They're giving him 5 minutes.
Anybody know Jerry Rice, entry number 1048? 1048. Yep. Jerry Price, time's running out. Does anybody know him? Call him and tell him he's lost the car. Oh my gosh.
No winner yet.
Hey everybody, guess what? We don't have a winner. I forgot one guy's excited about that. What's wrong, y'all? We do not. Did you not hear me? Do not have a winner. We're drawing again. Actually, can we get lucky on number 2? Our second draw is entry number 284. 284.
There.
Lord, they're up here at the top of the building. Here he comes. He done jumped off the top of the grandstand. Well, hey, wait a minute. Don't everybody run away. We gotta verify his car that it will run. And all the drill. You know how that works. You're going the wrong way. Oh, he's gonna come up here. We'll go to your car. We got a car. We'll take you. He was going to run and get the car. I want to show you the run. I'm driving up here. I'm coming through the crowd. I ain't going around the crowd. Here I am. Come on up here.
Well, that's a wrap on the 44th Pumpkin Run Nationals. Heading home now. And guys, that's also going to be a wrap on this episode of the Hawk Project. But just because I took it to a show doesn't mean the Hawk's done. Still a ton of work left to do. I still gotta cut this thing in half again. So, guys, stay tuned and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss out on anything. I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, drop those down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune in.